Today I will show you how to make a doll-sized poncho. First, make sure the racking handle is in its lowest position. Raise 26 needles on the front bed, 13 to the left and 13 to the right of 0. Place the edge springs on the last working needles and make sure the latches are closed. Now raise the opposite 26 needles on the back bed of the machine. You have to observe the needle rule. Place the edge springs on the last working needles and make sure the latches are closed. You can see up close. On both beds, start from left to right and put every third needle out of working position. You can see up close. Insert the orange strippers and take the yarn. I'm using 3 strands of acrylic yarn. Set both loops to N and the stitch size to 4.5. Rotate the racking handle 1 full turn anti-clockwise and knit 1 row. It should look like this. Rotate the racking handle 1 full turn clockwise and knit 1 row to finish the cast on. It should look like this. Clear the row counter and knit 24 rows without changing the settings. Clear the row counter and set both locks to CX. Use the orange ruler and raise all needles between the edge springs on both beds of the machine. You can see up close. Now knit 2 rows. It should look like this. Clear the row counter and set both locks to N. Now knit 60 rows. You can use any stitch pattern to make this part of the poncho. Clear the row counter and increase the stitch size to 6.5 on both sides of the lock. Knit the last row and lower the front bed. Use the yellow tool to make a zigzag latch cast off. Raise the front bed and remove the knitting from the machine. You must knit 2 pieces the same way to make the poncho. Fold the pieces as shown in the video and place them on top of each other. Align the bottom and sew the sides. Then turn over the piece, align the bottom and sew the other sides together. Here is the final result. Both sides of the poncho must be the same. If you make both panels bigger, you can make a poncho for yourself. To dress the doll easier, you can sew one of the sides halfway, then make a loop with an I-cord and sew a decorative button. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and see you in my next video.